Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the Rome. Welcome to Rome, the eternal city, a place where ancient history stands proudly alongside modern life, where every step reveals stories as old as time itself. In Rome, we don't just travel, we transcend eras. This city is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of human civilization. As we explore the layers of Rome, we'll uncover the essence of its culture and the rhythm of its people. Rome's iconic landmarks are only the beginning. In its streets, you'll find a living museum where every building and every stone has its own story to tell. The Pantheon is a marvel of ancient engineering and spiritual devotion, a 2,000-year-old structure that has witnessed emperors, saints, and commoners alike. It's one of the best-preserved monuments of ancient Rome and an enduring symbol of the city's devotion to art, architecture, and the divine. Standing here, looking up at the dome, you can't help but feel the weight of history, the silence almost like a whisper of the past. While Rome's landmarks are immortal, its people bring an energy and warmth that fill the city with life every day. Here at Campo dei Fiori, the aroma of fresh produce mingles with the lively banter of locals, creating an atmosphere that feels as genuine as it does timeless. From artisans selling handmade goods to farmers offering fresh vegetables, every stand tells a story of tradition passed down through generations. One of Rome's greatest treasures lies not in its famous sights, but in its hidden corners, like this cafe tucked away from the bustling crowds. Here, you can relax with a cappuccino, surrounded by centuries-old architecture, and experience the true essence of Roman life, slow, reflective, and steeped in beauty. It's in places like these that you truly feel the spirit of Rome, in the gentle clinking of cups, the soft murmur of conversation, and the timeless beauty of simple moments. Now let's go back in time to the heart of ancient Rome, the Roman Forum. This was once the center of the city's political, social, and religious life, where Caesar walked, and where the fate of empires was decided. As you wander through the remains of temples, basilicas, and arches, you can almost imagine the echoes of the past, voices of philosophers, politicians, and citizens who shaped the course of history. The details here are mesmerizing. These carvings on the pillars, worn by time, tell stories of gods and heroes, victories and losses. It's remarkable to think that the hands that created these works lived thousands of years ago, yet their artistry still speaks to us today, bridging the vast expanse of time. A trip to Rome isn't complete without a visit to the Trevi Fountain. This Baroque masterpiece is not only an architectural gem but a symbol of good fortune. Tradition says that if you toss a coin over your left shoulder into the fountain, you'll one day return to Rome. Watching the fountain at night, with its soft lights illuminating Neptune and his seahorses, you feel the magic of the city and the romance that draws people back time and time again. Now we step into the spiritual heart of the city, Vatican City. As the smallest independent state in the world, it holds immense significance for millions. St. Peter's Basilica stands as one of the most awe-inspiring achievements in Renaissance architecture, its grand dome designed by Michelangelo himself. Inside, you're surrounded by the masterpieces of Raphael, Bernini, and Caravaggio, each piece radiating the devotion and skill of the artists who dedicated their lives to create this sanctuary. Michelangelo's Pieta is one of the most moving works of art in the world. In this single piece, Michelangelo captures a depth of love and sorrow that transcends words. It's art that speaks directly to the soul, evoking emotions as fresh as the day it was unveiled. After a day of exploring, it's time to experience another Roman tradition: food. Roman cuisine is simple, yet rich in flavor. Dishes like cacio e pepe, carbonara, and saltimbocca are the staples, crafted with fresh, local ingredients and served in warm, welcoming trattorias that feel like home. Eating in Rome isn't just about nourishment. It's about savoring life, connecting with loved ones, and indulging in the tastes that define this incredible city. In each plate, you taste the passion and pride that Romans have for their culinary heritage. Watching a chef prepare pasta with such skill and care, you realize that food here is more than sustenance. It's an art form, an expression of love passed down through generations. As the sun sets on Rome, the city takes on a different energy, quieter yet just as alive. The Colosseum, once the arena of gladiators and emperors, now stands as a symbol of the strength and resilience that has defined Rome for centuries. It reminds us of all that has come before, of lives lived and stories told, and it beckons us to be part of its ongoing story. Rome isn't just a city you visit, it's a city you carry with you, one that leaves its mark in your heart and memory. With every step, you're walking in the footprints of those who came before, feeling the same awe and falling in love with a place that truly deserves to be called eternal. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.